So tell us about kind of your overall perspective on the metal forming industry in 2025, and now that we're almost halfway through 2025, what you see maybe even into the next year.
I think the metal forming industry is very dynamic, and we always have issues. Any industry always has issues. The importance is being able to pivot, making sure you understand your value, define your value proposition, have a solid strategy which you operate. So many times companies operate and they act emotionally without data-driven, and they make bad decisions in a lot of cases. We try not to do that. We put a solid strategy into place with our strategy canvases to be able to approach the market. But some things that challenge us, as challenge most manufacturers right now, are the human resource and the people side of our business. Training and development, making sure we have the right staff. And then I think there's a tremendous opportunity, not just in stampings, but also fabrications now for onshoring, where we have the tariff issues right now we're trying to work through. There's a lot of companies that looked at domestic manufacturing. And I think right now it's a very prime opportunity for a lot of manufacturers to grow if they understand the business and they're able to pivot.
So you've mentioned a few times challenges related to workforce. Do you have concerns in 2025 related to workforce? Do you think you've worked through some of those issues, or how do you see that playing out this year?
I read some articles about challenges in the workforce, and they say for the next 20 years there'll be challenges in having direct labor manufacturing people come into the workforce.
So what are you doing to retain your top talent, to make sure that they stick around and get to that label?
Very good question about retention. As we put KPIs into place, our first KPI is safety. Our second KPI is manufacturing direct labor turnover. Some things that we've done as not only help develop the individuals, we do things such as we just launched Pennant University this year. So we're doing continuous development and continuous improvement for our employees. We want them to be educated and engaged to make themselves better. We have suggestion boxes so that they can give us ideas that are rewarded if their ideas put into place. But we're also looking at development of our internal management team as well. We do stay interviews as well as exit interviews. We utilize the 360 program. And one of the things about the 360 program is development of our management team, and criticisms or input is a gift. I try to enforce this within our group. It's not a critique. It's not an evaluation. Use the information to get better, because if that supervisor or leader is in this spot and he wants to go here, the gap is helped determined by the input from the employees on how they get to that spot.
But what are your overall plans, let's say in the near future, for further capital investments?
Your good question. Our strategy and those four-pronged strategies I referenced, the first is technical solution sell. The second piece is diversification. Fourth piece is wallet share. Third piece is wallet share. Fourth piece is being a benchmark company from a manufacturing standpoint with the right KPIs. We want to continue to invest in the business to make us bigger, stronger, faster. You've seen the automation benefits. We're going to continue to grow and look into automation, not just in material handling and end-of-arm tooling, but also how to make the manufacturing processes more efficient, from coil loading to die changeover. The other piece is as we grow our business, there may be cases where we're willing to go out and invest in tooling of our customers in exchange for agreements or contracts, term contracts, so that we can help in order to be able to take advantage of some of those businesses and grow our business to help the customer advance as well.
Sounds good. All right, Chris, thank you so much for joining us today. Best of luck to you and Pennant in 2025.
Thank you. I appreciate you having us, and look forward to PMA continuing to help us in our business.